Hello from Bucharest. My name is Monika Puiu.
Hello, my name is Diana Teodorescu.
I'm here today to present Diana as a therapist in Wayra Astrae, and I am quite fresh having received her Raindrop therapy. I am doing this for me, for my body, because I have a strong and good body, but I also need to treat it well with the right food, with a lot of exercise, with fresh air, and with some special treatments from the plant kingdom. And one of them is Diana with her therapy with essential oils that are pure and real help from the plant kingdom. Today, I would like to ask her, what are the main reasons people come to you to receive the Raindrop therapy?
This kind of therapy was created by Gary Young, the mentor and the founder of Young Living Essential Oils. And it was created especially for the spine conditions. So people who have conditions like scoliosis, kyphosis, lordosis, they are very welcomed to receive this kind of therapy. It's very helpful for their conditions. And for preventing also, it's very good for those who are staying a lot on the chair, who are working at the desktop in IT field or others, and they have a bad position at the desk. They are very good for receiving this kind of therapy, because they are it is helped them very much.
So for me, it's feeling well after the therapy, not just 5 minutes, not just half an hour, but days after it. That's why I repeat it. But what is your experience? Why do other people come back to receive the therapy?
Well, it's true. The effects of this therapy, it's you can feel it during the 7 or 10 days after the therapy. It's therapy not only for the physical body, but also for the mind and soul. And besides resolving some problems or for preventing, this therapy is also good for detox, for sustaining the immunity system, for muscles, for increasing focus.
I feel the detox effect in the
yes,
first place.
It is very pregnant.
Also a question that we are asked in relation to the therapy is where to purchase the essential oils. And we usually say that we are not selling oils. The oils are sold online. Everybody can access directly. And you said you would be ready to help if somebody wants.
Yes. I buy myself also the essential oils from Young Living Essential Oils Company. And if someone wants to purchase this kind of oils, I can help him, her, to do this. But I do not sell oils because it's not my company. I also buy these oils for helping me in my therapies.
Mm-hmm. For any further questions, I would like you to address us either via telephone, email, directly on Messenger, by Facebook. You will find all our details in our site and on Facebook. Thank you very much and have a good day.